All right, we got here Wembley 1988 Human Nature.
I ain't never seen that.
Let's see what we got going on
Seen
here.
this one.
Let's go.
Hear her voice, shake my window, be seducing sighs, catch me down the nighttime, for walls won't hold me tonight.
Did the crouch grab?
If this town is just
That's where that came from.
let me take a bite, and they say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Does it leave it that way? They say why?
I like that outfit.
Tell them that
yes.
it's human
That outfit.
nature. Why? Does it leave it that way? Reaching out. Electric eye don't get me better. See that girl, she moves, I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. And they say why? Tell them that it's human nature.
Oh man, with every small movement, man, those girls are going crazy.
Exactly.
They say why?
Mike is smooth, man.
Tell
Tell me.
them that it's human nature.
You like to take control. I got this.
Exactly.
Oh, yeah.
Live it that way. I like living this way. I like loving this way.
Yeah.
Woo! That note is smooth.
That conversion
Hey,
is smooth,
Michael, you
man.
can get up there.
Man.
Reaching down.
You see me, Mike?
They going crazy.
Man.
They're going crazy in the crowd right now. Oh, how long we gonna stay paused?
Yeah, right? Is it raining? I see like a little bit of water coming down there.
Right.
Is that water?
Are they outside?
Yeah.
Into the night.
Ooh.
Reaching
Oh, that's cold.
Oh!
down.
Yeah, go ahead, Mike.
I'm dreaming of a dream. Everybody sing. They say.
Here's the thing. People don't understand how hard it is to sing and dance at the same time.
Yeah,
Man.
that's, you know, that's enough.
Exactly.
Everybody.
He got the whole stadium out. Look how he's commanding the
Exactly.
stage. Wow. That's a lot of people. That conversion is tough.
Man. Now, how many people's out there?
Yeah, that's
what I'm
stadium.
saying. That's a huge stage, big
I wonder
crowd.
how many of these. It's like,
Exactly.
He's throwing a little mine.
Exactly.
Oh man, that's crazy. That's crazy. Go ahead, Mike. Wow.
Man.
Wow. Great.
Wow.
Wow.
Man.
Great.
Michael, man.
Wow.
That dude, man. He was a he was something else, man.
Nothing like him.
Like I said before, man, that dude he's not from, he was out of this world. I mean, the way he commanded that crowd out there. I mean, it had to be hundreds of thousands of people out there. I mean, they were always singing along with him. I mean, he commanded, it's like you said, he commanded the crowd.
Yeah.
I mean, Michael Jackson was just indeed the king of pop. I would go as far as to say the king of music.
Yeah.
Because he was more than
You
just
could
pop.
actually say that.
Like,
You know, he was R&B, he was rock. I mean, country. He did it all.
man.
I mean, wow. But that right there was spectacular. That concert. What do you guys have to say to that? I mean, I'll start with you, C. Now, what do you think about that?
Man, just the aura, the commandment of the stage, the charisma.
Mm-hmm.
You know, just how he took over the stage, every movement, man. He had the girls going crazy. Just, you know, bop, bop, you know, everything was just on point. You know, I'm really starting to understand why they call MJ the GOAT. This dude is the GOAT. I'm sorry, man. I mean, I'm just lost for words. I don't know what else to say.
Yeah.
Well, I'm highly impressed. I've never seen this performance before.
Mm-hmm.
I've heard the hype behind it, but oh man, now I see why people have raved about this performance, man. I'm highly impressed about this.
Yeah.
What about you, Breeze? What you said? What you got to say?
Man, I'm lost for words. I'm actually speechless.
Mm-hmm.
You know, Mike is just, he leaves you speechless. I mean, because it's like I'm watching and I'm like, he was at the height of his power then.
Mm-hmm.
He was really at the height.
Yeah, that was what,
I mean,
1988.
1988.
Was that 88?
That's the first time
Yeah.
I ever seen that, and I'm like
Yeah.
speechless. I'm like,
Mhm.
man, this Michael Jackson. They could have called him Michael the Magician. Because, you know,
Exactly.
Mike had control of that whole stadium. He told him, sing!
Exactly.
And all it was like,
They was all singing. They-
Tell them that it's human nature.
I mean, as soon as he said sing, everybody was like, it's like he had the whole stadium hypnotized.
Right.
man. And he is just in command of not just his stage performance, but everything around.
Mm-hmm.
Stage
Yeah.
performance was flawless, but I mean, he had control. It's like when he came out there, he's like, "I'm Michael the Magician.
Yeah,
exactly.
I'm gonna take over.
Exactly.
I'm gonna take over your mind, your body, your
Yeah.
spirit, your soul right now."
Yeah.
Mike
Exactly.
was hot, and I love that performance, man. That's what I got to say.
Absolutely. Well, let us know in the comments what you think of the performance. What are you rated from 1 to 10? You know, just let us know what you think. Make sure y'all hit that subscription button and that notification button to stay notified for when we do our, when we drop something new. You don't want to miss it. But we're gonna leave it right here. And we'll see you next time on Music and the Kid Life. See you soon.
You ain't seen the best of me. There's a lot more to the rest of me. I've been down to the ground, life was testing me. When I look back.